Hey guys, it's Jerry. Welcome to another Zomo Momo video. Uh, Tonight I am going to look at F-Prot. It's made by Frisk Software International, and haven't had much exposure to it, but I found it, and it's an antivirus program which looks to me they have commercial software available as well, but for home users they have um, an antivirus suite only. Um, so they don't have an internet security or full security suite as of yet. But they do have a version for Windows, they have a version for Linux, for BSD workstations, and for Solaris. So what we're going to do is take a look at the interface, which is right here. I've already installed it. Pretty straightforward install. I have a trial license, and I went ahead and I updated the signatures, so it's up to date. But for this video, we're just going to take a look at the interface. Now, I did take a look at it prior to making this video, and you know, provided that the antivirus, the signature database that they have, and the heuristics that they have, provided that it's effective. So far, what I've noticed about F-Prot is it's pretty basic, pretty straightforward. If you like a basic antivirus program where there's not a lot of messing around with it or messing around with the settings, you just want to kind of install something and forget about it, then this definitely would be something that you might want to look at. It is not a free program, it is a paid program. Not sure how much it is, but I mean, as you can see from the interface, again, it is pretty straightforward. So is your update section up here. So you have the date and time that you ran the last update. Here's the next update check that it's going to perform, and it tells me that the subscription is valid until, basically gives you a 30-day license, pretty standard as with other antivirus programs. Here's your file system protection, which is on, your email protection is on, and your Internet Explorer, your web protection is on as well. I have not done a scan as of yet, so that's fine. So that's under system status. This would be your home screen, so to speak, or the main interface screen. Under virus scanners, you can again look at your different scanners. Everything is on. Under file system, you have a check mark under enable automatic file system protection. You can protect all files or just Microsoft files only. Not exactly sure why anyone would want to just protect Microsoft files, because those seem to be the ones that are genuine and malware free. How to react if a virus is found. You can disinfect automatically, or you can select to ask each time what you want to do. Under internet email, we have enable Outlook email protection checked, as well as Internet Explorer protection. Under email settings, there's only one setting, just check to enable heuristics. And under Internet Explorer settings, same thing, enable heuristics for web surfing. Under manual scan, you could do a scan of the entire computer. So this would be a full or deep scan of the entire system. You can scan your local hard drives only. You can scan removable media if you have anything connected, such as maybe an external hard drive. You can scan your network. And you can scan selected location Maybe if you want to select a specific file or a folder, you can select this and browse to that specific file or folder and scan it. Okay. Then you have your status. When you do a scan, this is what you're going to see, and it's going to tell you how many files it scanned, how many infected objects it found, how many it disinfected out of those infected objects that it found, and how many it had to quarantine, the duration. So if I end up doing a scan to see what it found, then this will be interesting to see what it looks like. Then you have your typical quarantine list. Obviously, there's nothing here because I just installed it. You have your items and your settings. So again, just one setting, check to automatically scan items in quarantine after updating. So pretty straightforward. Again, not a lot of messing around with fancy settings. It's just very, very straightforward. You have your advanced scan. You can schedule. So if you hit new, you can schedule specific scans to run, and you can specify a path of where to run that scan and what time, how it's scheduled. So you can kind of customize your scans here. You can add exclusions. Here's your settings. You can check to report all scanned objects in a scan report as opposed to just what it found as threats. You can make a sound when a virus is found. So if you check this, I guess it'll make a sound. And then under other settings, you can report possible unwanted applications, show icon and tray. So again, pretty straightforward. And then you have your logs. Okay. So that's under virus scanners. And under updates, you have your settings for updates. This is your current version that you have as far as what update was installed. You can change your update settings. And again, this is similar to your Windows-based updates. You can automatically just download your updates. You can download updates automatically, but let me install them. So I choose when I want to install those updates, and then notify when updates are ready to be installed or downloaded. If you use a proxy, you can set up your proxy settings here. And then I'm not sure why they would put, I guess under updates they also have your subscription information. I guess the thought behind that is you want to update your subscription. Not sure, but here's your status. This is a trial key, so go ahead and take it if you'd like, but it's 30-day trial. You can get it online if you'd like. You can buy a subscription. So if you click here, you can go on their website and buy F-Prot Antivirus, and here is your license agreement. Under your help, you have information specific to the database, the definitions, and you have your help and support. So you can use their help system. You can go online onto their website and use their online support, or you can send them an email. You can contact them with any technical questions that you might have. And then you have your close to close the antivirus out. You can also set up a password protected interface. So if you have kids or someone that you don't want to access your antivirus to possibly change or disable the antivirus, you can password protect it. So again, it's a straightforward interface, great for somebody who does not want to mess with settings. So one more thing I want to do is look at the task manager and see what kind of resources it's using. Let's see, F-Prot. It's using about 50 megs. Okay. Let's see if here's the graphical interface. So this is another 3 megs or so. So we'll say about 50 megs it's using. Let's see if there's anything else. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else. There's those two. So pretty comparable with other antivirus programs. Now, actually, I've seen suites that are about 50 megs, but this is just an antivirus program. So, for a program that's just antivirus, I guess it could be a little lower on resources, a little lighter. But is it is it really bad? I guess not. But it's 50 megs at idle. So we'll take a look at the resources, maybe when it's doing a scan or something like that, to see what it jumps up to. So 50 megs at idle just for an antivirus, yeah, you would say that it's a little on the heavy side. So that's it for this video. This was just an overview, and then I'll come back for part 2, and we will throw some malicious links at it, some malware. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy my videos, once in a while I'd like to remind you guys to please subscribe, rate, and comment on my channel. If you want to see anything specific, let me know. I have been getting your suggestions, and I'll get to them as quickly as I can. I do want to get to pretty much everyone's suggestions as far as what they want to see, what products they would like to see. Can't do every one of them, but I will try to get to as many as I can. So that's a wrap for this one. I'll be back for part 2. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.